Good, happy Tuesday afternoon, everyone. I'm Riley King, and welcome to my news report right here on the Riley King Network. Let's begin. Carbon monoxide alarm triggered in police officer's cruiser. A Manchester police officer planned to return to work Tuesday after a carbon monoxide alarm in his Ford Explorer cruiser went off Monday. The Manchester Police Department has about 24 Ford Explorers in its fleet. The automaker issued an alert in February about the possibility of carbon monoxide building up in certain models, and the department installed carbon monoxide detectors in the vehicles. Police said Officer Kyle Daly was on routine patrol when the carbon monoxide detector in his cruiser went off. Daly immediately pulled over and got out of the car. His partner drove him to a hospital where he was treated and released a couple of hours later. Officers said the situation could have ended very differently. Daly planned to be on duty later today. And that does it for my news report right here on the Riley King Network. I hope you all have a great rest of your Tuesday afternoon. Goodbye, everyone.